Akashbani Imphal Lanthokchari Paugi Saktam. Saktam masida lamdam masigi partsing yauna ising leiba mafamsing manghandana thambagi tangai phadaba lei haiba Rajyapal Ajoy Kumar Bhala gi wafam. Spring Set Management ki matangda Round Table Conference. Youth Environment and Skills ki matangda mifam. Manipurda Sanaroi Singin Numit. PMJAY amati CMHT ki matangda khanani na ba mifam amasung paugi saktamda Bisnupur Jilla gi pauda. Rajyapal Ajoy Kumar Bhala na hairi lamdam asigi partsing yauna ising leiba mafamsing mangandana thamnaba honaba tangai phade mahusana piramba phajaba mafamsing amadi nat chanabiga sagonaba mafamsing ningthina ngak senduna thamgadabani honglakliba ayinga sagi khalna mahusagi pothoksing amadi nat chanabiga sagonaba mafamsingda pirikliba seitheng haibe hiramda Manipur University ki auditorium da yumsa kaisa numita pangthokhiba jati thagi khananenaba mifamda saruk yaraduna Rajyapal na hai Kendra Sarkar na Rajya Sarkar singa kusam narga ayinga sagi khal kaithar padagi piri ba seithing sing mayok nana ba thorang kaya paikhatli Rajyapal na hai.
Climate change stands as one of the most pressing global challenges of our time, impacting not only our natural ecosystems and also rich cultural heritage that defines our identity. There are increasing frequency of extreme weather events, rising temperatures, degradation of natural resources, and impact on biodiversity, human livelihoods. Everything is actually interlinked. It's an ecosystem. Resources are limited. We all understand land, water, air, whatever resources are there limited. Population is on the increase. Pressure on the resources is also on the increase. Lot of research is going on. Lots of things are happening. But in the whole ecosystem, we have reached the cultural heritage point, the impact from one side, the impact on some of our cultural heritage places. But what exactly perhaps we need to do as citizens is that what is our contribution to ensure that we conserve these resources, stop wastage of these resources, preserve them, use to the minimum extent when I say wastage.
Spring Set Management haibasida anisuba interdepartmental round table Imphal gi North A osida leiba Hotel Imphal da nithokaba numita pangthokhi. Rajya Sarkar ki Directorate of Environment and Climate Change na sinduna pangthokhi ba thoromadu da wangang bada Forest Environment amasung Climate Change gi Principal Secretary Arun Kumar Sinan hai Rajya sida hojik part mari samgatpegi thabak sathari Rajya sigi punna part chama kuthra mari masak khangdoktuna part sing asi samgatpegi thabak paikhat pa hore mahagna hai.
In terms of environment department, like in Lungar village, Ukhrul, we have set up a climate resilience village under Swiss Agency for Development and Cooperation supported project. Then also in terms of climate resilient water security, we have also Namul River for rejuvenation of that river. Then we have also developed our wetlands under rejuvenation since 2000. 4 wetlands we have developed, and we have also identified 134 wetlands in our state, and slowly we'll be working on those wetlands for its rejuvenation. I think Government of India is also coming up in a big way. I think they are doing, the Water Source Department is doing a survey all across country for spring shed, and they are going to have a roadmap for that. And I think they have already sanctioned 2,700 crore for development of or management of spring shed. There are many states like Uttarakhand, Himachal and Sikkim, I think even Meghalaya, they are doing with their own resources. Of course, with our financial condition today, we may not be able to do much with our own resource, but I think the survey and the Government of India projects which is going to come in near future, I think they are going to roll out very soon, this year only.
Manipur University ki Teacher Education Bibhagna Art of Living Foundation Bengaluru ga punna sinduna numit mangani gi oiba Youth Empowerment and Skills Bibhag asigi multi-purpose hall da nithokaba numita hawdokhi. Thoromadu da wangang da Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor Professor Naurem Lokendra Singh na hai अंडर ग्रेजुएट की सिलेबस सेमबदा एनसीसी एनएसएस का लोइना आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग याहुन बना नहा सिंह अमदी महिरोई सिंह थेंगरिबा समस्या सिंह खरद ओइरबसु कोअनबा ngamgani mahakna hai.
Manipur has been in the midst of crisis for a long time. Manipur is a insurgency infested area. Manipur is a place where there are a lot of unrest. There are ethnic unrest, there are civil unrest, there are student unrest, and this has been there for quite some time. And I think this kind of a social problem has really afflicted the people of Manipur. So much so that some negative impact of this unrest, which have been there for a number of decades, must have already been programmed in the DNA of a good number of our young children, young students, and near and dear ones. So when we framed the syllabus of the undergraduate value added program, we had included the art of living, we had included NCC, we had included NSS, and we had included many other things. Because this is the need of the hour for the state of Manipur. This is the need of our students in the state of Manipur.
Raizopal Ajoy Kumar Bhalan Hairi Sanaba Haibasi Aka Akum Naiba Kongsat Amani Maithiba Tanpam Lapada Ninganabagi Mahuta Heni Hena Honaduna Mai Pakna Honagadabani Raizaki Youth Affairs Amasung Sports na Sinduna Imphal gi Khomal Lampak Indoor Stadium da Pangthokiba Sandaroi Singi Numit Thorom da Saruk Yaraduna Raizopal na hai Manipur asi Malem Thaki Masak Naiba Sandaroi Kaya Puthokpagi Puwari Leisaba Lamdam Amani Masibu Sakhangbaga loina Manipur da Sarkar na Malem Thaki Sana Khonabaga Mari Lenaba Masak Mathum Sing Sabganaba Lepalaitana Honari Raizopal na hai
Manipur has a proud history of producing world-class athletes who have made our state and our country proud on national and international platforms. Our state has been consistently at the forefront of sporting excellence, from boxing to weightlifting to football, archery, athletics. We are home to some of the India's most celebrated athletes, including world champions and Olympic medalists. The number of medals we get in national games shows that Manipur has earned the well-deserved title of Sports Hub of India. This is not only because of the number of talented athletes we have produced, but also due to infrastructure, commitment, sports culture that continues to grow in our state. Our government is working tirelessly to build world-class sports facilities, provide quality training to athletes. As part of this initiative, CS Chief Secretary mentioned, National Sports University was set up in Manipur in 2018. It's India's first specialized university with a national mission for sports education. The university aims to introduce generic sports science programs covering sports science and medicine, sports management and technology, sports education, sports journalism, and other interdisciplinary studies.
Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana amasung Chief Minister gi Haksel gi Tengbang scheme gi matangda khanenenaba mifamama Imphal gi City Convention Center da Sagol Senlumita pangthokhi. Thoromatu da wa ngangbada CMIST Manipur gi IEC Manager Rin Sophie Samroi na hai ing kumja lising ni tarani pandagi sanaba haurakhiba CMIST asi haujik hospital humudra mangada sanari. Sahi nipan helabas ki masina raija sigi lairaba masung sotharaba imung singda lemna ana laingi khudong saba kaya piri magna hai
Central government Nepiriba Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana Habashi. It is intended for the poor and vulnerable ko lairaba imong singi damakne asigi intention sidi akoi narba kanda paisa am tinghi ko tingadi akoi gi punsi gi livelihood akoi gi expenses sidu henga pangam de ko akoi gi education angang singi lairik tamba wershu akoi gi everyday living expenses sidu henga pangam dabagi punsi henna akoi quality of life shu phangna ba habne overall henna chawo erdi adugi dama health card to sabi Noi damak ne card si noi na card sabam matam da khak tang akhoi card si gi through intention si achieve to bangamuni noi na card hardi I think it automatically also impacts the well-being of the state akhoi gi resources akhoi gi economy akhoi gi state si phanje it comes down to family, it comes down to our individual houses noi na card harga card to sijen araga phajana noi quality of life improve already. It will overall impact the society, it will overall impact the state, the community adui dama card si chabi sabiyo. It is not only for you, it is for the improvement of the state, for the community. Adugi card chi tu na laga card tu sabiro. Akoi gi toll free number 24/7 leje 1800 103 2015 na 24/7 ne akoi state ki
आकाश बानी इम्फाल की पाव की सक्तम दा एखोई की बिष्णुपुर पावमी आर के मणिपुर सनाना बिष्णुपुर जिला की मतंग दा पीबा पावदा
ꯃꯩꯍꯧꯔꯣꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯟꯗꯥ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯖꯥꯇꯤ ꯑꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯣꯊꯦ ꯖꯥꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯅꯥꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯨꯝꯍꯩ ꯏꯅꯥ ꯄꯨꯏꯂꯤꯟ ꯐꯦꯕ꯭ꯔꯨꯋꯥꯔꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯉꯟꯕ ꯁꯔꯨꯛꯇ ꯆꯌꯣꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯆꯠꯊꯗꯨꯅ ꯕꯤꯁꯅꯨꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯂꯝꯂꯥꯟ ꯍꯨꯠꯄꯤꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤ ꯈꯨꯟꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯎ ꯖꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯆꯣꯊꯦꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯀꯨꯝꯍꯩ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯔꯣꯛ ꯊꯥ ꯂꯣꯏꯔꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯉꯩꯗ ꯄꯥꯈꯪ ꯂꯩꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯍꯣꯡꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯡꯅꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯃꯃꯧ ꯊꯤꯕ ꯍꯪꯅꯕ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯅꯤꯉꯣꯜꯁꯤꯡ ꯊꯥꯖ ꯌꯣꯟꯖꯕꯒꯤ ꯀꯨꯝꯍꯩ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯍꯥꯎ ꯖꯇ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯆꯣꯊꯦꯅ ꯑꯁꯨꯝꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯂꯤ
ꯏꯅꯝꯄꯩ ꯂꯤꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯐꯔꯦꯟ ꯊꯥꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯅꯤꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯡꯑꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯀꯥꯕ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯒ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯥꯏꯖꯤꯡ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯀꯣꯟꯆꯟ ꯌꯩꯆꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ 8ꯅꯤ ꯆꯨꯞꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯀꯨꯝꯍꯩ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯨꯝꯍꯩ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯛꯇꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯤꯔꯝꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯁꯥ ꯄꯥꯈꯪꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯁꯤꯡꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯨꯍꯣꯡ ꯈꯣꯡꯗꯣꯡꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯨꯝꯍꯩ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯇꯅꯕꯨ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯊꯣꯏꯗꯣꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯥ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯌꯥꯝꯕ ꯂꯨꯍꯣꯡ ꯈꯣꯡꯗꯣꯡꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤꯕꯒꯨꯝꯗꯅ ꯃꯁꯦ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯀꯥ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯅꯣꯡꯃꯥꯏꯖꯤꯡ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯟꯆꯟ ꯌꯩꯆꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯅꯤꯡꯊꯧꯀꯥ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯏꯕꯨꯙꯧ ꯆꯣꯊꯦ ꯊꯥꯡꯋꯥꯏ ꯄꯥꯈꯪꯕꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯕꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯕꯨꯙꯧ ꯄꯥꯈꯪꯕꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖ ꯅꯣꯟꯖꯗꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯏꯐꯕ ꯆꯥꯍꯣꯡ ꯉꯥꯍꯣꯡꯕ ꯈꯨꯟꯖꯥꯎ ꯂꯣꯏꯖꯥꯎꯕ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯕꯣꯔ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯌꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯊꯧꯅꯤꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ
ꯕꯤꯁꯅꯨꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯄꯨꯇꯤ ꯀꯃꯤꯁꯅꯔ ꯂꯧꯔꯦꯝꯕꯝ ꯕꯤꯀ꯭ꯔꯝꯅ ꯖꯤꯂꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯣꯛꯈꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯛ ꯑꯣꯂꯤꯝꯄꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯁꯣꯁꯤꯌꯦꯁꯟꯒ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯍꯟꯗꯛꯇ ꯎꯠꯇꯔꯈꯟꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ 34 ꯁꯨꯕ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯒꯦꯝꯗ ꯃꯦꯗꯜ ꯂꯧꯔꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯏ 9ꯗ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯎꯠꯇꯨꯅ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯊꯧꯒꯠꯄ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯑꯁꯨꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯈꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯖꯤꯂꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯕꯨ ꯌꯣꯛꯈꯠꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯇꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯗꯅ ꯏꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯅꯥꯠꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯜꯆꯔꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯃꯥꯂꯦꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯁꯛ ꯇꯥꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯂꯣꯟꯗ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯣꯛꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯐꯥꯎꯔꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤ ꯖꯤꯂꯥ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯥ ꯊꯪꯕꯗ ꯇꯤꯗꯤꯝ ꯂꯝꯕꯤꯗ ꯐꯒꯥꯎꯆꯥꯎ ꯏꯈꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯉꯩ ꯃꯍꯥꯔꯥꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯆꯥꯔꯅ ꯆꯨꯔꯆꯥꯟꯄꯨꯔ ꯆꯠꯄꯒꯤ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯌꯨꯕꯤ ꯃꯦꯃꯣꯔꯤꯌꯦꯜ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯏꯈꯥꯏ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯉꯥꯛꯄꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯂꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯗꯣꯝꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯛꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯅꯤꯡꯁꯤꯡꯂꯛꯄ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯝ ꯑꯃ
ꯃꯩꯍꯧꯔꯣꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯂꯕ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯐꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯃꯥꯡꯈꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯀꯤꯕꯗꯨ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯊꯨꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯦꯝꯒꯠꯄꯤꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤ
ꯃꯇꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯥꯀꯥꯁꯕꯥꯅꯤ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜꯒꯤ ꯏ ꯄꯥꯎ ꯀꯥꯡꯕꯨꯅ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯆꯌꯣꯜꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯎꯒꯤ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯂꯣꯏꯖꯔꯦ ꯈꯣꯝꯖꯤꯟꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯊꯣꯛꯆꯣꯝ ꯖꯣꯒꯦꯟꯗ꯭ꯔꯖꯤꯠ ꯇꯦꯡꯕꯥꯡꯕ ꯊꯣꯛꯆꯣꯝ ꯕꯥꯔꯨꯟ ꯂꯤꯖꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯥꯏꯕꯝ ꯗꯤꯖꯃꯅꯤ